Now we are going to complete exercises of poem 10th, Nightfall in the City of Hyderabad. Comprehension. Fill in the blanks based on your understanding of the poem. First, the comparisons shows that the city becomes an extension of nature for the poet. Option A, the night born like a queen to a sumptuous festival. Option B, the speckled sky burns like a pigeon's throat. Then option C, the white river that flashes and scintillates curve like a tusk from the mouth of the city gate. And correct option is D, all of the above. Then second, the muezzins calls from the minaret of the mosque. मॉस्क मतलब क्या होता है? मस्जिद. और minaret मतलब मस्जिद के जो टावर रहते हैं वो. जैसे यहाँ पर चार मीनार के बारे में बोला है. चार मीनार को कितने टावर हैं? चार. वहाँ पे जो अजान देते हैं उन्हें कहते हैं मुएज्जिन. So the muezzin calls from the minaret of the mosque. Correct option is B, to call worshippers to pray. वो क्या करते हैं? वो पीपल्स को इनवाइट करते हैं कि आप लोग मस्जिद में आओ और भगवान के सामने प्रेयर करो. देन थर्ड, द फेसेस हैव बीन कॉल्ड लैंग्विड बिकॉज. करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज ए, दे आर ग्लोइंग डिस्पाइट देयर वेल्स. यहाँ पे वेल्स मतलब क्या होता है? एक थीन कपड़ा जिससे अपना मुंह ढका जाता है. Then fourth, the elephants seem to be moving leisurely because, correct option is C, they are huge animals and thus move slowly along the narrow winding lanes. Fifth, the faces in the balcony are veiled because, correct option is B, they are mostly women whose faces are covered with thin cloth. Then sixth, the procession was centralized around the famous, and correct option is B, Charminar. Then last, seventh, the Gaiety has been described as a sumptuous festival. यहाँ पर तीन ऑप्शन दिए हैं लेकिन करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज डी, नन ऑफ द अबव. Then B, answer the questions briefly. First question, what has the poet used the similes of the pigeon's throat and the tusk for? Answer, the poet's use of the simile comparing the night sky to the pigeon's throat. यहाँ पर night sky को compare किया है pigeon के throat के साथ. Reflect the different hues मतलब color और shade in the dark sky. Speckled मतलब dotted with stars, aglow with fleck of yellow, green and crimsons like that seen around a pigeon's throat. In the simile of the gigantic city gates opening its elephantine mouth and a tusk-like river flowing from it, the poet links the city with nature. Then next question, second. Find all the instances of the alliteration in the poem and then answer. Following are the all instances of alliteration in the poem. First, speckled sky. Second, floats like a battle flag, veiled in the splendor voluminous. Then fourth, swinging their silver beels. Then five, from the minaret, how the muezzins call. Six, the languids and luminous. Seven, wind through the winding lanes. And eight, सिम्बल्स एंड सेरेनेड. alliteration का मीनिंग होता है, एक्चुअली इट इज़ अ फिगर ऑफ स्पीच. सेम कंसोनेंट साउंड इज रिपीटेड इन कॉन्जुकेटिव और क्लोजली प्लेस वर्ड्स इन द सेम सेंटेंस. जैसे हम लोगों ने देखा स्पेकल्ड स्काई, एस एस आया है, करेक्ट कंसोनेंट है ये दोनों भी. देन फ्लोट्स लाइक अ बैटल फ्लैग. देन नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन थर्ड, हाउ हैज़ the Musi River been described in the night? Answer, the Musi River in the night has been described in the most romantic manner. It portrays मतलब होता है कि उसका चित्रण किया गया है, the Indian landscape vividly and captures the spirit of the Indian river, which is the source of drinking water and considered holy. As the foaming river meanders its way through the city, the water catches the moonlight and sparkles brilliantly. Its serpentine curve has been compared to the curve of a majestic tusk as it flows out of the mouth of the city gates. Then, fourth question, what does the poet want us to listen to? Answer, the poet wants us to listen to the muezzin's call for prayer from the minaret that invites all the people to come together to pay their respect and obeisance to the Creator, the Almighty. It captures the spirit of gratitude even in times of festivities and celebration. Then, fifth question, what has the floating battle flag been compared to? Answer, the floating battle flag has been compared to the muezzin's call. Just as the flag is atop a high building announcing a victorious battle cry, the call for prayer from the minaret's height seems to hover in the air, urging the devotees to worship. Then, question number 6, how has the splendor become voluminous? The splendor of the nighttime festivities are unmatched. The magnitude of the grand celebrations become voluminous as more people look out from the balconies of their homes, overjoyed with the grandeur of the procession and festive delights. Procession मतलब होता है जुलूस. Then question number 7, find 4 prominent structures built in the city mentioned in poem. Answer, 4 prominent structures built in the city mentioned in poem are: first, city gate जो बहुत बड़ा है, then minarets, third, चार मीनार, fourth, trellised balconies.